Hi, I am Tash from Tepeo, and we're here in a property in Bedfordshire where we've just installed the Tepeo ZEB. We love projects like this because we have replaced a biomass boiler, which means that no longer does the property owner have to buy pellets for winter. They've got a really straightforward solution to decarbonising their home that will keep their property nice and warm during the colder winter months. The couple knew that they absolutely wanted to get rid of their biomass boiler, hence why the ZEB was a fantastic solution for them. Unlike other low carbon alternatives out there, the ZEB is really simple to install. So it meant that they could keep all their existing radiators, they could keep their existing water tank as is, and the ZEB was just plugging into their flow and return pipes and away they went. Installation didn't take any longer than a week. The ZEB is a fantastic way to decarbonise your home. It's a heat battery boiler, which means it's storing 40 kilowatt hours worth of energy as heat within its core for when you need it. So the behaviour is very similar to what people are used to, for example, with a gas boiler. So when there's a call for heat by your regular thermostat, that is when that heat is then deployed to your underfloor if you have it, to your radiators, to your wet central heating system, and to your hot water tank. But the beauty of the ZEB is that it's tapping into that low-cost electricity, which means it's a lot cheaper to run in comparison to direct electric. So it just automatically knows when to charge at the cheapest and greenest times, giving you heat when you need it.